Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDT, Tether, on Binance, step by step. Updated for 2025. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open the Binance app and log into your account. Step 2. From the home screen, tap on Buy Crypto. This will take you to the purchase options. Step 3. Select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to buy, either in your local currency or the amount of USDT you want. Step 5. Choose your payment method. It could be a debit card, credit card, or other linked method. Step 6. Tap Buy or Continue to review the transaction details. Step 7. Confirm the purchase and complete any verification if prompted. Step 8. Once the payment is processed, the USDT will appear in your spot wallet instantly or within a few minutes. Note: make sure your card supports crypto purchases and double-check the fees before confirming. If this guide helped, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto tutorials made simple. See you in the next video.